it's Cheryl, Sig the Solo Cruiser, and welcome to the first episode of Why Not Wednesday. This is where we shake off the shoulds, break the old rules, and ask the only question that really matters. Why not? And today's why not question is this. Why not cruise for your birthday? Let me guess, you've spent your past birthdays running errands for you or for other people, cutting your own cake, or listening to a group of coworkers awkwardly sing happy birthday to you over cupcakes. Don't worry, I've been there. We've all been there. Now, imagine waking up on your birthday to ocean views, mimosas with brunch, a massage, and especially one you didn't even have to schedule for yourself. And the only awkward singing is from the crew. And their awkward singing somehow sounds good. Suddenly, your birthday isn't about pleasing everyone else. It's about celebrating you. But Cheryl, are you talking about cruising alone for my birthday? Well, why not? Think about it. On your birthday, you will have a whole cabin to yourself. Nobody's arguing with you about where to go for dinner. No one's upset with you because you want to stay in your room and rest while somebody else wants to go to the pool deck to watch the belly flop. I don't know. It sounds like a win to me. Cruising solo for your birthday is the ultimate treat yourself move. And here's what's wild. I've never felt more seen or celebrated when I've cruised solo for my birthday. Staff remembers? Fellow cruisers often buy you a drink and raise a glass. And then you walk around glowing because you chose joy on your own terms. Now, if you're someone who says, but I always do the same thing every year, yeah, so let me gently suggest, maybe it's time for a new tradition. A birthday cruise isn't about being fancy, it's about being free. Free to rest, free to dance, free to wake up in a new country on your birthday if you want. Unforgettable memories start when you start asking the question, hey, why not? So the next time your birthday rolls around, skip the sheet cake and the gift cards. Book the cruise. Take the trip. Be the gift.
I'm Sig the Solo Cruiser. Follow me for more solo cruising tips.